for joy and for solace. And it is not at all by my will, but because it pleases the worthy. For if I were not blamed for it, I would never sing again. Since I see that humility, no worth, no friendship, avails me nothing with my lady. Great ills I have suffered for it, a faithful lover unloved. At times I have peace, many times I am sorrowful. I am well overpowered by it, for I have been by my faith like a man in despair for well over 2 years now, and I do not give it up at all, not at all. According to the many feigning deceivers, will I love elsewhere? Be it wisdom or folly, so great is her worth and the beauty that she has with her, that she is mirror and flower of all the best ladies in my judgment. Very dear to me, his worth and his values, and the highest rewards. But he gives me more sorrows, he gives me little succor and help and good, less than to all other lovers, except that it is honor to me that he keeps me always with him. Lady, graceful with a gay person in whom joy and worth dwell. More than I say or know, I love you more than I shall tell you. But I have no other benefit, I must suffer. So I shall take comfort just as I can with the ill that comes to me from it. Little song when you are there, recount my care to her and tell her why she makes me die in such dismay. Then I shall commend you if she is pleased with you until you go into her heart. For then I shall find there very easily more mercy. I do not find mercy there.